Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to fix TikTok stuck processing a video. If you got a video in processing on TikTok, I show to you how you can fix that. But the first step, the first option is, you can restart your phone in the most of the cases. This is the solution, the principal solution. You reset your phone and that's it. Or you can go to TikTok here in your profile, and you can check here in the superior right corner in the option of these three lines, and you pick here in settings and privacy, and you can check here in account if you have any problem like a shadow ban, or you are blocked on for TikTok. You can check here in the part of account if you are any of strikes and TikTok, and maybe for that's the reason for your video is stopped. So this is the two options that you can do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.